You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and share trading signals from experts. I'm Jessie Wong. First, the US dollar. The dollar fell on Wednesday following a rebound in risk appetite after more bondsholders pledged their support for the Great Debt Swap deal, and data show a rise in the number of people gaining jobs. The dollar ended the day at 1.3150 to the euro and 81.16 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro rose after several most banks pledged their support for the Greek PSI. The deadline for the participation is tonight, with analysts quite skeptical over the outcome, which could result in the Greek government's failing to secure its bailout funding and possibility of the default. The European Central Bank also has its rate meeting today, with some analysts speculating that the central bank may reduce rates. The single currency ended Wednesday at 106.73 to the yen and 0.8352 to the pound. British pound. The pound rose on Wednesday after a rebound in risk appetite on the improved prospect for the Greek bond swaps, although gains were capped by the disappointing housing data. The sterling ended the day at 1.5741 to the dollar and 127.74 to the yen. Japanese yen. The yen fell after a rise in risk appetite due to the improved hopes for the euro and following the release better than expected US unemployment data. The yen ended the day at 81.16 to the dollar and 106.73 to the euro. And now the sections you've been waiting for, Markets Tips. Forex4you in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provide you daily trading signals from experts of the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is open long positions above 1.3125 with 1.321 and 1.324 inside. The downside penetrations of 1.3125, which will call for 1.31 and 1.3075. If you trade British pounds against US dollar, our preference is open long positions above 1.5715 with 1.58 and 1.584 as next targets. The downside breaks out at 1.5715, which will open the way to 1.569 and 1.5645. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is open long positions above 80.95 with 81.45 and 81.6 inside. The downside penetrations of 80.95, which will call for 80.75 and 80.55. Good luck and happy tradings. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Jessie Wong and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a nice day.